Hello, body fangs, welcome to the push. Guys, there's something that goes so deep up my exhaust pipe there that sal my pancreas verwoes. And it's a thing called colonoscopy. Yeah, it's just a fancy word for some doctor thinking he's going to take a safari trippy there as a tour guide with a GoPro camera stuck on a hose pipe that he shoves up your exhaust pipe. Yeah, but the real fun starts in the prep work. That's where the trauma kicks in. Okay, so firstly you go on to what they call a liquid diet. Very quickly after that you move over to a maneuver called a colon cleansing maneuver. It's a mixture of juice that you have to slurp. It tastes a little bit like suurlemoen, sour lemon, and dishwashing liquid with a pinch of salt there. The stuff is hideous. You can almost take the pint of a bakkie. Dan begin die fireworks. It starts off like a little soft rain in a forest. And then all of a sudden it moves over to a category 5 hurricane with a name, Herman. Your body turns into the world's worst super tube. 3 hours later and is your life so leeg, it feels like an empty knickknacks packet at a kiddies party. Yeah, it feels like your soul has left your body through your exhaust pipe. It's almost the same as yoga, but with a lot more screaming and a lot less namaste. And as soon as your body is as empty as your brandewyn glass by a straatbraai aan die einde van die maand, you build up the courage and you waddle along to the clinic. And there it are, met jou kop op die kussing en jou boutwange in die lug, ballonknopie staring at the sky over there. The room fills with a lot of people in white coats. There's so many bloody doctors and nurses in the room that remind you of all the supporters for the Blue Bulls at Loftus. Yeah, 5 seconds after sedation, raak hierdie dokter a pilot, oh maat. He moves up your exhaust pipe there like he's filming a new movie for Kyknet. Buttflix, the Dick Darm original. And I know somewhere in a room there is a monitor or a TV where people are checking you out like it's a TikTok live box fight. Nou wanneer jy klaar is en nog bietjie deur die blare is, they wheel you into a room called a recovery room. All of a sudden you get greeted by a colonoscopy poop. Hierdie ding dreun so erg, it's like a freight ship blaasing a toeter there in die middel van die kerk. Now all these nurses that watched you there by the television and got a close encounter with your poop darm smile politely, but deep inside your binneste, you realize they are actually writing your poop sound. Kyk, hy kon bietjie harder gegaan het, ja. Hy kon so bietjie van 'n treble gehad het. Yeah, but suppose it's a small price to pay if you got a 5-star rating met jou ballonknopie. The whole medical community now knows what your poople looks like. Okay, thanks.